Very good evening to you, KG class. How are you all? Hope so you all are fine. My this video lecture is related to math subject. Come and let's compare number. Here I have a song for you. Listen it carefully.
Greater than, less than, equal to. Greater than, less than, equal to.
These symbols are the ones you use for greater than, less than, and equal to.
Greater than, less than, equal to.
Once upon a time there was a hungry alligator. He loved to eat numbers, so he figured out a way to always get the biggest bite when the numbers were there. He would stop for a second, take a look and compare. Whichever number was the biggest of the two was the one that he would eat. So just to review, here's the main thing to know about the hungry alligator. He always eats the number that's greater. Greater!
Greater than, less than, equal to. Greater than, less than, equal to.
These symbols are the ones you use for greater than, less than, and equal to.
Greater than, less than, equal to.
The greater than symbol points to the right. The less than symbol points to the left. The symbol always.
Class, you know about that greater number, less than and equal to. And just you have to remember one thing. Crocodiles want to eat every time greater number, okay? He like greater number wants to eat every time. So you have to open the crocodile face toward the bigger number, toward the greater number. So complete this page. You already have completed 48 page. Do practice at home on your notebook. Okay, thank you. Take care of yourself. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.